Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over how to use the Cybex shoulder press. So if you ever have any questions or issues on how to use it and you want a quick tutorial on how to use it properly or how to adjust something, you can always refer back to this video. It'll be on the gym pages, YouTube channel, all that stuff. So yeah, first and foremost, this is how you adjust the seat. So pull this pin, goes up and down, and then just lock it in place. I like to try and find a position that fits me well to where my elbows can start down here and then I can press up. You know, everybody's gonna be a little different, you know, depending on where you wanna start. All right, everybody, so now we move on to the weight stack. It's very simple. Pull the pin out, put it in, that's what you're lifting. So you got pounds and kilos on each side, whatever way that you would like to track your weights. So yeah, now that, so I adjusted my seat. I think I got it to where, like I said, my elbows start down here. I like to start all the way on the bottom. So there's two different ways you can do it. You can grab right here and press straight up if you want, or you can grab right here. I like to use this grip mainly. I just feel like I'm getting more of the anterior delt, where this way I'm using a lot more tricep. So obviously you're still using your tricep this way, but you're definitely hitting more of the anterior, the front part of your delt, where this part, I definitely feel it more in my triceps and less in the delt. So whatever way you're looking to do it, you know, it's obviously personal choice, but that's my tip on that. Keep your feet flatly planted on the ground, or you can put them right here, kind of like power lifter style, get a little bit of a drive, but you always want to keep your butt on the seat, shoulders intact, head neutral, and then take a big breath. Hold it all the way to the top, and let it down. Come up. All the way, that's full range of motion. Obviously, I know there's different ways to do it. You know, if you're bodybuilding and stuff like that, you can kind of do some half reps and things like that. So depending on what your goals are and what you're working on that day, range of motion is going to be different, but I'm just showing you the basic full range of motion from bottom to top. All right, so that's it. That's the Cybex shoulder press. Like I said, come back to this video if you ever have any questions, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, just watching the video, I wanted to point out, I didn't mention, when you are driving it up, make sure you're not like flaring your elbows back or you're too far forward. Kind of keep them in that neutral position, driving them straight up. That's some things that can go wrong, is like the elbows can flare back or they can come forward too much. Just try to keep it right in that neutral position, up and down. All right, I hope this is helpful, and we'll keep doing more. Thanks.